YouTube, what's up? It's your girl L. I am back at it again. Today is the day the Lord has made, and we're gonna rejoice and be glad in it. And today we got another kit. Look, it is the September surprise mystery box. This box is from Double Dip Nails. Like the name implies, it is a dipping system with good quality acrylics. This is not my first box of this. I have been getting this subscription for a couple of months now, and it is good. Let me tell you, if you're looking for a dip system with quality dip systems in it, you want to check out the Double Dip system because it's very good. Like I said, I've been getting them for a couple of months now, and I've never been steered wrong with them. The acrylics are nice and fine. They double as regular acrylics for nail sets. You can make flowers, petals, teddy bears, whatever you want with it. So it's very good system. So stick around and check it out with me as I review the September surprise mystery box from Double Dip Nails. We're gonna get on into the kit and see what the goodies hold for us. And once again, I thank you so much for coming by my channel and checking me out. You could have been anywhere on YouTube, but you stopped by to check me out. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Now let's go and get into this kit. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and get into the kit. This is how the kit usually comes. You get loads and loads and loads of stickers. Stickers. You get your stickers for this month. You always have very positive sayings on them, always. So the stickers are very nice. It's a very nice touch. Yeah, I like the stickers. That's it right there. Stickers are nice, and that's the tea. You get a card, your September surprise mystery box. Codes on it in the back. You always get a bunch of beautiful items in the box. So I'm gonna go and get rid of this, and then I will be right back. Alright YouTube, and this is my surprise mystery box for September from Double Dip. You get your base coat and your top coat, and the top coat is a no wipe top coat, so that's always good to have. You get your 3 acrylics, and this one is CP026. It's called Mesmerized. Let's check it out and see what it has in it. Look at that. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Oh, yes. That's pretty. It has some greens, some pinks, some golds in it. And this is what it looks like on the nail. I went ahead and swapped it for us. We got us a nice swatch right here. But it's nice. It's pretty. It's nice and polished. I like it a lot. Alright. And then the next one up is the mystery color. You're always going to get a mystery color in the month. And so the mystery color is, let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Y'all look what it looks like when I swatched it. Oh look. Look, I think you can see it better on the swatch. Stickers. get some glitters look like. Let's check them out. You can never have too much glitter in my book, you know. Alright, we got some purple parts. We have some blue and aqua parts. Packs of rhinestones in this month's kit too. Look, you get a whole lot of rhinestones. Oh my gosh. Look at this package right here. I have never seen a package of rhinestones this big. Look at that. Oh, you get like 1,440 pieces in one and 1,440 pieces in the other. Look at the bling right there, boy. You can decorate for hours and hours and hours with all this bling. Check it out. Nice kit so far, huh? Can't go wrong. You always get yourself 3 swatches so you can swatch your acrylics and check them out. She always includes those in the kit. And then last but not least in the kit, we have a free gift, and it is a magnet. The magnet is the free gift. Check that out. Once again, here are your colors with the double dip system. I'm sorry. This is the beautiful Mesmerized. You see, it's gorgeous. Look at that. It's gorgeous with the pinks and the greens in there. And then next up, you have that beautiful cherry on the top with that beautiful, beautiful reflective glitter in it. Oh, look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? That's gonna be nice for Christmas. Nice. Okay, so check it out. Also, your mystery color this month is that beautiful fall. Oh, look at that. It's just so fallish. Look at it. It has so many different colors in it. I like it a lot. I think this may be my favorite out of the kit. This month's kit right here. Speaking of fall nails, what do you think about these nails, you guys? I made these myself. I did a set matte and then I did a set glossy. Just trying my hand out as some different kind of decorating. So let me know what you think about these right here. But also let me know what you think about the kit, because this is a good kit. The kit is very nice. You get some stickers in the kit as well, don't forget. And hey, I told you that was the end of the kit, but it's not. Hiding back here under the box was some delicious paints. So check it out. Look at the paints, y'all. You also in the kit. Also for this month in the kit. Look at these delicious colors. Let's see what they are. If I can get into them. Alright, also in the kit for this month, you get some nail gel liners. Check it out. Oh, let's see what color they are. Okay, this is number 10. Number 10. Yeah, number 10. Let's see what color it is. Oh, look, it's already marked and labeled at the top of the color. Oh my gosh, is that beautiful for fall or what? Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh. That's nice. Oh, that's a nice brown. That's number 12, y'all. Number 12 is hidden. Okay, I mean, number 10. That's number 10. Number 10. Number 10 is the brown. That's hidden. I like that. Okay, so let's check out number 11. 11. Let's see what 11 do. Ooh, it looks like some kind of blue-gray. Let's see what oh, yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a blue-gray. Got me going though. I'm intrigued on that brown and this glitter right here. Okay, and this is number 12. Number 12 seems to be another gray. It's like bluish, grayish, I guess. Let's see. Okay, this is more darker. This is a more darker gray. More of a dark purplish gray, and the other one is more of a dark bluish gray. So there you have it on that. Then, now last but not least, you get you some chrome powders this month. Check that out. Let's get into the chrome powders, y'all. Look, you get your 3 applicators to go with it. Get yourself some applicators. That's always nice. You're going to want those. Because that's how you apply this powder here. You would put on base coat, and then you would put this on. You would dip it down in there, like so. Then you put it over that base coat, and then you would top coat that. Put it in light for 60 seconds, and you're done. And these are some beautiful, nice shimmery chrome powders you get for this month with 3 applicators. So let's check out one of the chrome powders, y'all. Let's see what the chrome powders do. Just happen to have a swatch right here with the base coat already on it. So let's check out the purple. Pretty and chromey. So isn't that pretty? So just imagine what all the rest of them look like. Isn't that a nice shimmery kind of color? You see it? It's a shimmery type thing. You get a whole tray full of them. Look at that. You get a whole tray of them. So I would say this month's kit is well worth it. You'll get your chrome powders. You get 6 of them. Comes with the applicators that you need for it. You get your 3 lovely dips. Get your base coat, your top coat. Get your 3 gel liners. Get your 3 boxes of glitter. 3 containers of glitter. You get yourself some lovely stickers. I think it's 5 of these. No, it's 6. You get a whole lot of rhinestones. You get that magnet as a free gift. Don't forget that. And you get your lovely swatch sticks of the kit. So, that's the kit. I hope you enjoyed it. Check me out on the next one. Take care of yourself. Be kind to somebody. And love somebody. All right, YouTube. So, hey, that's it. That's the double dip mystery box for September. What did you think about the kit? I thought the kit was nice. I enjoyed the colors. The acrylics were very nice, very seasonal, very fallish, if you will. I was really digging that one, that green with that brown and that gorgeous gold in it. I like that a lot. You can't go wrong with that red. That red is going to be popping for Christmas. It has that reflective glitter in it. And don't forget about that mystery color. The other one was not the mystery color. It was the Mesmerized CPO26. That's the one with just the pink and green glitter in it. And the one I was talking about that I adored so much was called the mystery color. Remember, it was just mystery, didn't have a name to it. but it's the one with all the fall like colors in it, the green, the golds, the browns, and everything in it. You also got those wonderful base coat and top coats that you got in a full-size jars. You get 15 milliliters each. You have received as well in the kit 3 different gel liners. You have a grayish blue, which they're calling number 11, and then you have a purplish gray, and they're calling that number 12, and then they're calling that beautiful brown number 10. Can't go wrong with those right there. You got a magnetized magnet in the kit as well. You also were supplied with some lovely chrome powders that came with applicators. You have 3 applicators right here, so that's really, really good. You want that. You want to have that. And then you got the glitters. You know, you're getting the glitters, the green, the blue, and the purple. So I thought the kit was very nice. The kit was very, very nice. So go ahead and check them out. Check out the double dip system so you can test them out for yourself and see if it's a subscription box that you want to get every month. The subscription box goes for, and it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Like I said, you get new and upcoming products in these kits that they're releasing. So it's a good way to be first on the scene with the new hot happening items. So go ahead and check them out for yourself, and let me know what you do with some of the designs and some of the kits that I show you, because you know I'm all about that art. I want to see what you do. So check me out in the next one. I do thank you for being here for this one though. It's always a pleasure to be with you. Always, always a pleasure. So stay tuned for the next one, and I will see you then, all right? Bye-bye.